Good morning, 10th class. Today we will start with the chemical properties of bases. In earlier video we have learned about physical properties that we have done. Okay, now today we'll start chemical properties of bases. Now in case of chemical properties, okay, first one is simple. When a base is dissolved in water, that means when you dissolve base in water, okay, generally it splits into ions. Actually it gives, just for example, if you will dissolve NaOH in water, suppose this one is, make it aqueous solution, so it become Na positive and OH negative, so it dissociate into ions, and just because of the presence of ions, okay, the solution basically conduct electricity. Okay, so this one is one thing. Now second thing, we have that one is second reaction, that is neutralization reaction, that we have already done in acids also, but again I am explaining neutralization reaction. So in case of neutralization reaction, when acid react with base, or either you can say when base react with acid, it gives salt and water. So I'm explaining only one example, other your work. Now in this one, that is NaOH, it's a base. When react with acid H2SO4, it's your wish, you can take HCl, you can take HNO3, you can take CS3COH, so many acids we have. Okay, so in this case it form the C, it's a salt. This one is Na2SO4 plus H2O, balance, reaction is already balanced. The C balance here, 2 NaOH plus H2SO4, it gives Na2SO4. this one is sodium sulfate plus water. Okay, now third reaction, and this one is again very important. Okay, reaction of base with metal. Okay, generally when base react with metal, okay, so in this one, this is very common reaction and important for exam point of view also. Okay, now in this, when base, generally we have important one, that one is when NaOH react with zinc. Now just see, it's NaOH, when react with the zinc and heat it, then it form a salt plus hydrogen gases evolved. And which salt is formed? It's a sodium zincate. Okay, formula is Na2ZnO2. Again it's a aqueous solution, but name of this salt is, it's a sodium zincate. So when again base react with metal, it forms salt plus hydrogen gases evolved. Now remember one thing, that base react with metal, okay, but bases not react with carbonates generally. Okay, now next thing is, now we have another reaction, chemical property. Now in this one is fourth, bases react with non-metal oxides to form salt and water. Now in case of non-metallic oxides, now how basically non-metallic oxides, this one again one important thing for you, point to remember, that one is just like metallic oxides are bases, the non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. I'll show you also why they are acidic in nature. So first of all, just see, non-metal oxide plus base, it gives salt and water. So non-metallic oxide, generally it's a C, non-metal, carbon is non-metal, you can take sulfur also, sulfur is also non-metal. Okay, so non-metallic oxide, so this one is carbon dioxide, when react with base, calcium hydroxide, it's a base, it forms a salt plus water. So CaCO3, salt plus water is formed. Now just see, this one is non-metallic oxides, generally acidic in nature. How to prove? Now base, when react with non-metallic oxide, it forms salt and water. And what we have learned in that reaction, if you remember neutralization reaction, what we have learned, that acid plus bases, it gives salt and water. So here also salt and water is formed, it means along with base acid is react. Okay, so it means that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, you can take other examples also. So this one is regarding to your last chemical properties. Okay, thank you.